your videos get less than 500 views every time you upload video on your channel, here are 9 things you need to do right now to start getting thousands of views on your videos every time you upload video on YouTube. These are things popular YouTubers do every time we upload videos on YouTube that help us get thousands and tens of thousands of views on our videos. If you look at this, all the videos on the first page of Google are my videos, including a video I made 6 days ago. Is already ranking top of your Google search. Not only this, if you slide to image section, can you see this? My thumbnail is all over the place. So what I'm about to show you right now is what I do every time I upload video that help my videos rank on YouTube as well as on Google search. If you do everything I'm going to show you here, your videos will start ranking on Google as well as on YouTube, and you will start getting thousands of views on your videos. When it comes to getting views on YouTube, getting YouTube to recommend your videos, getting suggested, you can manipulate that, and this is exactly what you do when you upload videos. When you learn how to upload video the right way, YouTube will start ranking your video. Your video will start getting pushed and viewed by hundreds of thousands of people. The first thing you need to do every time you upload video to help you start getting thousands of views on your video is optimized video file name. This is actually one of the secrets that help my video rank on YouTube as well as on Google, as you can see it here. Just before you upload your video, it's important you optimize the name of the file, the name of the video. The reason is because YouTube is search engine optimized platform. The name of the file determines if that video is going to be recommended for people to see it or not. So after editing your video, just before you upload it on YouTube, I need you to optimize the video by adding relevant keywords in the video file name. When you do this, you increase your chances of getting the algorithm know what this video is all about and then even who to show the video to. These videos you see here on Google as well as these thumbnails you see, one of the things that help the video rank is optimize file name. This is one secret optimization hack that will help your videos start getting attention on YouTube. Second thing you need to do to start getting thousands of views on your videos is the title of the video. The title of your video determines who YouTube recommends the video to. YouTube is reading the title of the video and uses this same title to recommend or suggest your video to your target audience. What are the keywords you want this video to rank for? You need to include them in the title of the video. A lot of small creators don't understand how powerful video title is, and that's why their videos are not getting views. And one of the biggest secrets is bringing in keywords you want to rank in the video as early as possible in the title of the video. Getting the right keywords in the title of the video simply gives algorithm the exact thing it's looking for to start showing your videos to your target audience. The third thing that will help you get thousands of views on your videos is description. This is yet another powerful opportunity for you to optimize your video, helping YouTube algorithm to know who this video is for. So it's going to pick the video and start recommending it to your target audience. If you look at this section, you are meant to use up to 5,000 words, and there's a reason why it is that lengthy. So don't be too lazy to include as many keywords as possible, because it will help you a whole lot in optimizing the video, and that will lead YouTube algorithm to understand who the video is for and then push the video for many more people to see it. Another thing you need to do is to bring in links to your previous videos. This we do 2 things. The first one is that adding links to the description of a video helps to optimize the video. The second thing it does is that when you include a link to your older videos here, YouTube algorithm sees it that this particular video that is included here is related to the one that is currently playing. So at the end of the video, you increase your chances of having this old video here recommended to your target audience. Another thing you also need to do here is to bring in relevant hashtags. We have niche hashtag and we have video hashtags. So bringing in relevant hashtags in the description section of your video will help a lot in ranking the video. If you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to show you one secret I use in coming up with my video title and hashtags. The fourth thing you need to do to start getting thousands of views on your video is thumbnail. Thumbnail is actually the second and most important thing when it comes to getting thousands of views on your video, and a lot of small creators miss out on this. You need to learn to create attractive, catchy thumbnails that when people come in contact with your thumbnail, it becomes irresistible, that they can't live without clicking on this. So thumbnail and title of a video determines if the video is going to get a lot of views or not. One hack that will help you come up with nice thumbnails that will perform so well is to use A/B testing. YouTube has provided us opportunity to upload up to 3 thumbnails and then let YouTube algorithm itself determine the one that is best. So you can actually go on to create 3 thumbnails for one video, upload the 3 of them at the same time, let YouTube run through that and see the one that performs better. That's why we have this A/B testing here. So all you need is to come over here and then click on this A/B test and select this. Go on and upload the 3 of them. Once you do this, YouTube algorithm will automatically test these 3 thumbnails at different times and sees the one that performs better, then goes on to use it as your permanent thumbnail for this video. This works all the time. The 5th setting that will help you get thousands of views on your videos is end screen. End screen is an opportunity to get your other videos recommended at the end of the video your audience is currently watching. This is very powerful if you are looking at driving massive traffic on your videos. At the end of the video, this is exactly what you are going to see. And with this, you increase your chances of getting your people watch more and more of your videos. To do these settings, all you need is come to this place while uploading the video. You click on this and then you go on to select end screen. When you open it, you can decide to add subscribe button and one video, subscribe button and a playlist. Just go on and make a choice. And importantly, make sure that the video you are adding here is something that is value packed and also related to the video that's currently playing. The next setting you also need to do right now is adding cards to your video. It is a great opportunity to give visibility to your older videos. So all you need is come over here and click on cards. It also helps a lot in ranking the video. This is how it looks once you are done adding a card. 6th is visibility settings. This setting is very important when it comes to getting views on your videos. A lot of small creators do it the wrong way. If you want to get thousands of views on your videos every time you upload videos on YouTube, your visibility settings should be unlisted. This will help you first to make sure that you optimize the video perfectly before you make it public. Secondly, when you upload videos on YouTube, you need to allow the video to sit for at least 2 hours. Some creators leave it to up to 24 hours. This allows YouTube to go through the video, read the data, understand who this video is for. So when you eventually make it public, YouTube algorithm already knows who to show these videos to. With this, the video is properly uploaded to HD. And not only that, algorithm has succeeded in running through the video, reading the data and understanding who this video is meant for. So when it's made public, algorithm has gotten all important information that it needs to recommend the video for many more views. So next important settings you need to put in place to get thousands of views on your videos is tags. Tags is very important because it is just one language that YouTube algorithm understands. With tags, you are able to bring in a lot of important keywords that the video should rank for. If you've not been using tag box the right way, that's one of the reasons why you've not been getting a lot of views on your videos. So this is the tag box. All you need is think of those important keywords you want this video to rank for. Go on and fill this box with those keywords. As you're filling the tags in, it's also important you bring in a couple of big creators whose names already drive massive traffic in here. And finally, the comment section of your video. Comment is one great opportunity to help YouTube drive traffic to your videos. A lot of small creators miss out this opportunity of using the comment section to get a lot of views on your videos. The first one is that comment is one of the engagement metrics that YouTube algorithm considers. When a video gets a lot of comments, it is considered that the video is valuable. That's why a lot of people are commenting. But not only that, the most important part of using the comment strategy is that when people watch your video and you lead them to drop a comment, those times, minutes or seconds they spend in the comment section dropping a comment in the video count as the time they spend watching the video. Every single second they spend commenting or replying to other people's comments count as the time they spend watching the video. And when you have average view duration, people spend a long time watching your video, you multiply your chances of getting YouTube algorithm start recommending the video. So this is what you're going to do as a small creator. Every time you're done uploading a video, be the first to go to the comment section of that video and drop engaging comment. Then go on to pin it. This pinned comment should be something that will lead people to respond. So if you're a small creator, you've not been getting thousands of views on your videos, implementing all these strategies will help you, because that's exactly what small creators use to get thousands of views on our videos. Just as you can see here, the next thing you need to do to start getting a lot of views on your videos is optimized thumbnail file name. No one tells you this. When you are done designing your thumbnail, do well to bring in relevant keywords in the title of the thumbnail. This will not only help you get a lot of views on your videos, it will also help this your thumbnail to rank. I hope this helps. Please go on and give this video a thumbs up if you got value, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. In the comment section, you're going to see a lot of your potential subscribers. So go to the comment section now and connect with other creators.